Get ready to unlock the secrets of holistic health at the Wellness Code 2024, happening this October 18th through the 21st of 2024. Whether you're already part of the Quantum University family or eager to join, this event promises an exhilarating journey into cutting-edge tools and expert knowledge at the heart of Quantum University's curriculum. Join us for a series of presentations and immersive workshops led by top experts in holistic health. Dive deep into the latest technologies and insights that will revolutionize your approach to wellness. And be inspired as we pave the way for you to start building groundbreaking wellness programs that set new standards in holistic health practice. Our lineup of distinguished speakers will speak across a number of topics. Dive into the future of holistic health with Dr. Paul Druin, President of Quantum University, as he shares his wealth of knowledge across 6 enlightening topics over 2 days. Quantum AI, connecting all the dots. The biofield and its impact on human potential. Noosphere healing chamber. Quantum evaluation. QAI and homeopathy, and digital biofeedback. Join Dr. Tara Denise, Distinguished Integrative Medicine Professor and Quantum University's Director of Education, as she discusses 3 essential pillars for holistic health practitioners: quantum hematology, introduction to auriculotherapy, and gas discharge visualization. Be inspired by the captivating journey of Dr. George Farah, globally recognized wellness guru and Quantum University graduate, as he shares the challenges he overcame with the power of holistic health and the path that led him to Quantum University in his presentation, Mastering the Mind Against All Odds. Gain invaluable tips in capitalizing new revenue opportunities from Kalina Henning, Quantum University's Director of Alumni Services and Exponential Healthcare Specialist, in diversifying your practice with exponential healthcare. Explore how NeuralCheck's innovative approach to analyzing neural data can enhance our understanding of wellness. Join Dr. Patrick K. Porter, renowned author and BrainTap founder, as he guides us through integrating NeuralCheck into holistic health practices. Then, step into our hands-on workshops and experience theory in action. Unlock energetic insights with the GTV device BioWell under the guidance of Dr. Tara Denise. Personalized neurotherapy plans with NeuralCheck, facilitated by Dr. Patrick K. Porter. Learn the auriculotherapy protocol for effective healing from Dr. Hozumi Kessler. Develop tailored wellness programs leveraging exponential healthcare resources with Kalina Henning. Maximize coaching potential through training and digital biofeedback, led by Alihi Paressa. Amplify healing intentions with the Noosphere healing chamber, guided by Dr. Paul Druin. Are you ready to take your holistic health journey to the next level? The Wellness Code is where passion meets practice and curiosity sparks transformation. Join us for an experience that's as unique as you are.